Hello all, welcome to the series where we are discussing the articles of Constitution of India. In our previous video, we had discussed article number 23. In today's video, we are going to discuss article 24, which is basically about prohibition of child labor, right? Article 23 and 24, they belong to a category of fundamental right, that is rights against exploitation, right? In this context, let us try to understand what is article 24. So article 24, it says prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc., right? Who is prohibited to work in factories? Only children. It further says no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any other hazardous employment, right? So firstly, the age or the definition of child which has been given here is child will be a person below the age of 14 years, right? Not below the age of 18 but below the age of 14 years. It further says such child cannot be employed in any factory or mine or any other hazardous employment, meaning only in hazardous employment children cannot work, but in non-hazardous employment children can work, and this is not debarred, this is not prohibited under article 24, right? So in order to implement this particular article, this particular fundamental right, later on Parliament had also passed a law, which is, the name of the law is Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986, right? What does this law says? It first defines child. This we have discussed in article 24 itself. The definition of child is anybody who is below the age of 14 years, right? It also further says prohibition of hazardous work, meaning such a child or a person below the age of 14 will not be allowed to work in hazardous industries. It also regulates the working condition of children. It says if a child is working in non-hazardous industries, right, then such a child, for example, must not work for more than 6 hours a day, right? After every 3 hours, the child must be given a break, or the working hours of the child must be in between 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., meaning no late night work will be allowed for children to do even in non-hazardous industries. It further imposes penalties. What if somebody indulges or somebody hires a child labor? In that case, there is a jail term of 3 months to 1 year as per the law of 1986. So I hope what is given in the law is clear. This law basically deals with the issue of child labor, because the article 24 only prohibits child labor. It does not say what will be the punishment if somebody hires a child labor, right? That has been dealt in the law of 1986. The same law was amended in a comprehensive manner in the year of 2016, right? So there was an amendment act was passed in the year of 2016. This amendment act, it is very, very comprehensive. What does the amendment act says? It basically prohibits the child labor. For every child which is below the age of 14, the child cannot work in any industry. Any kind of employment the child cannot take except family labor, right? If a child is involved into family labor, meaning let's say a farmer, right? A child after going to school goes to the farm and works along with his father, then such an employment will not be considered as violation of this particular law, right? Except family labor or the children who are employed into entertainment industries, except them, children below the age of 14 cannot take up any work. That is what the Amendment Act of 2016 says. Further, it gives protection to adolescents. So this act says children in the age group of 14 to 18, they will be considered as adolescent, and such children, they are not allowed to take hazardous employment. So hazardous work cannot be done by the children or by the adolescent who are in the age group of 14 to 16, right? It further makes the penalties more stringent. For example, in the earlier act, the penalties were from 3 months to 1 year. This particular law, the Act of 2016, it further makes it stringent. It says the penalty, the jail term will be from 6 months to 2 years, right? So the Act of 1986, it was amended comprehensively in the year of 2016. There is not much to remember about this particular topic. Just remember that child labor is prohibited, and it is being prohibited under Article 24. In order to enforce Article 24, Parliament of India has passed twice a law, that is the law of 1986 and the Amendment Act of 2016. I hope this topic is clear to you all. Thank you so much for watching this video.